Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in. Let's change your picture now. Click the circular profile icon at the top right of Gmail and open your Google account. Once the account page appears, choose the Personal Info tab, this group's name and photo controls. If you see a small camera overlay on the avatar, click it. That's a shortcut. This first step gets you to the exact photo setting quickly, so you don't wander through unrelated menus. Make sure you're on the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. Now choose the image source and why it matters. Click Change or Add Profile Photo to open the picker. Upload a JPG or PNG from your device, pick from Google Photos, or drag an image into the window. High-resolution images look sharper. Once uploaded, use the crop and zoom controls to center your face or logo. This ensures it displays well in small circles. After adjusting, confirm with Set as Profile Photo. Once done, give Google a moment to apply the change across apps. Finish by verifying the new picture appears in Gmail and other Google apps. Sometimes changes take a few minutes to sync. Make sure to refresh your inbox and check in an incognito window if needed. If you still see the old image, clear your browser cache or sign out and back in. This forces a fresh download. On mobile, open the Gmail app or Google account settings to update there too. One troubleshooting tip. If contacts still show the old photo, ask them to refresh their contact card or resync their device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.